Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your password on WordPress, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and to change your password, what you need to do is to go over into your account menu. So just go over into the top right, either click on my profile or just click on your profile name, and it'll take you to your profile menu. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is navigate down into security. Once you're here, you'll see the password at the very top as an option, and just click on that, and then you're going to need to enter your new password. Once you do, you can then save that password and use it to log into your account in the future. However, that might not be the only available thing that you have. If you want to change it, for example, if you forgot it, you can very easily go to the login page on WordPress, and you will have a password reset option. Once you add that option, then you will be getting an email on your email address, which you used to register onto WordPress. And once you get the password change email, just click on it and it will open up a new tab. In that new tab, you'll be asked to enter the new password and most likely to confirm it and enter it again. And once that's done, you should be set, and it's pretty much the same thing as here. So for example, if I write in a new password, as you can see, it does need to be strong enough to be saved, which this is just some random letters and signs. So I'm pretty sure you need lowercase, uppercase, numbers, as well as characters such as this. And yeah, as you can see, they need to have at least 6 characters and use all of these signs that are available to you. And that is basically all there is to it. It's really simple, really easy. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.